Now at 5, a new lawsuit against Multnomah County and the Sheriff's Office. It claims the county jail is allowing federal officers to hold people for immigration violations, which violates Oregon sanctuary law. Good evening. Thanks a lot for joining us, everybody. I'm Steve Dunn.
And I'm Ray Casaway. For years, the jail has contracted with the US Marshals Service, allowing them to house federal defendants awaiting trial. When President Trump took office, the scope of the Marshals' work broadened to include immigration enforcement.
Katu Shelby Slaughter joins us live now from downtown Portland. And immigrant rights advocates say the jail is breaking the state sanctuary law by allowing the use of local jails for immigration enforcement. Shelby, these so-called ICE holds happen in other states too, right?
Yeah, Steve. So when the Trump administration deputized U.S. Marshals to become immigration agents, that's when this became a problem. Now, immigrant rights groups are calling for the contract to be terminated.
A newly filed lawsuit calling out both Multnomah County and the Sheriff's Office, saying jails here in the county are being used to hold people for immigration violations, which goes against the state's sanctuary law. According to the lawsuit, the county is violating the law by, quote, unlawfully agreeing to detain or incarcerate individuals who are in the custody of the United States Marshals Service. Marshals haven't historically been used for immigration enforcement. However, earlier this year, the Department of Homeland Security gave the U.S. Marshals, quote, the authority to investigate and apprehend immigrants for civil violations of the Immigration and Nationality Act. Now, immigrant rights groups are calling for local jails to modify contracts they have with the U.S. Marshals Service or terminate them altogether.
And according to the law office that filed this suit, this comes after multiple people have been held or, in other cases, deported. Reporting live in downtown Portland, I'm Shelby Slaughter, K2 News.
Shelby, thanks for that.